See, I'm a jar little. I'm a jar wale. Say we get to pay so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Bossing at the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jar little. I'm a jar wale. Say we get to pay so no delay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I customized this wig from Donmily Hair. So I'm going to be showing you how I bleached the knots and coiled this hair. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So I already unboxed the hair, as you can see, and those are the things that came with this wig. So right now I'm just going to bleach the knots of this frontal. So I'll be using bleach and 30 volume developer from Fanola products. I think, yeah, the brand is Fanola. I got this on Amazon. So I'll be using 2 spoons of the powder, and for the developer I did not measure it. I just added the amount that I felt would be enough to mix the powder. So what you don't want to do is to make it too light, because if it's too light it's going to run through the lace and bleach the hair, which you do not want. So you want it to be as thick as this. Okay, so right now I'm going to gradually spread it on the lace. I'm going to try not to apply pressure, because if I apply pressure it's still going to go through the lace and bleach the hair. So you just gradually spread it on the lace. So I'm starting from the back side of the lace because that's where the knots are usually big. So that's why I'm starting from the back basically.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about.
After spreading the mixture on the frontal, I'm going to use aluminium foil to cover it up. That way it bleach faster, and I'll leave it to sit for 20 to 25 minutes before washing it off.
007, man, James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. I girl them I want a bad man, put a ring on.
So after rinsing out the bleach, you can see that the lace does have orange undertone. So I'm going to use the Fanola No Orange Extra Blue Pigment shampoo to tone down the orange undertone.
Wine for me girl, she a wine for me man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. Aye, on the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Aye. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the.
I'm going to use the Shimmer Light Purple shampoo to condition the lace part of this hair, and then I'm going to use another conditioner to condition the main hair, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing.
It's V-Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
So I conditioned the hair, detangled it, and let it air dry. So that's basically all I did for this part of this tutorial. So moving over to the next part, I already straightened out this hair a little bit. So right now I'm just going to start coiling the hair, but before that let me quickly show you guys what this hair looks like. And also I forgot to mention that I also plucked the front of this hair, but I did that off camera because you guys know I've said it before that I'm still learning how to pluck the lace frontal, so that part I did not show it. But very soon I'm going to do a tutorial on how I pluck my lace frontal. So right now it's just the coiling aspect of this tutorial, so I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy this video. And don't forget, this hair is from Donmily Hair, and every details of the hair will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So I'm going to be using heat protecting oil, some small clips to hold down the coils, that way it lasts longer, and also I'm going to be using the Remington coiling iron. Honestly, I don't remember every details of this coiling iron because I've had it for more than 8 years, just that I hardly use it. I think I just abandoned it for like 7 years now. I haven't even touched it. I remembered I had something like this, so I had to look for it, but every details of it I do not remember. I only remember the brand is Remington. So, and let me tell you, this coiling iron is the bomb.com. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be using to coil this hair, and I'll see you all at the end of this video.
It's FEAKILS.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They not understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I held them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. So you think them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Let go. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Oh, feeling the groove, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one can.
So this is what the hair looks like after coiling it. So I left the pins on the hair till the next day, let's just say 24 hours, because the day I coiled the hair was not the day I installed the wig. So this is 24 hours later and I've installed the wig. This is what it looks like after using a white tooth comb to detangle it, or how do I put it? Yeah, to brush out the coils. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and let me tell you, this hair holds coils like crazy. So I'm going to be doing an installation video of this wig. So if you're interested, please stay tuned for that video. And don't forget, this hair is from Donmily Hair, and every details of the hair will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw head, okay. If you dey play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Top of me in the street to myself, will they make